Creating actionable software solutions from finalized requirements is akin to constructing a house. It all begins with a solid blueprint. The first step in this process is to thoroughly understand your blueprint, your finalized requirements. It's essential to ask critical questions. What does the product need to achieve for the user? What business goals does it serve? Each requirement must be clear, measurable, and actionable. If there's any ambiguity, clarify it before moving forward. A solid foundation is key to success. Once you have a firm grasp of your requirements, it's time to divide and conquer. Break down the requirements into smaller, functional components or modules. For instance, in an e-commerce application, you might separate it into user management, product catalog, shopping cart, and payment system. This approach simplifies the development process, making each piece manageable and testable, which is crucial for maintaining quality. Next, we move on to defining workflows. This step involves mapping out user journeys and interactions within the system. Visualizing how users will interact with your application is vital. Tools like flowcharts or journey maps can help identify key steps, dependencies, and potential edge cases. For example, consider what happens when a user clicks Buy Now. Think about the inputs, processes, and outputs involved. Mapping these workflows not only helps in identifying missing pieces, but also ensures a seamless user experience. Now that we have our components and workflows, it's time to choose the right tools. Selecting the appropriate frameworks, libraries, and architecture is crucial for scalability and ease of use. For a high-performance backend, you might opt for Node.js or Spring Boot, while for the user interface, frameworks like React or Vue.js could be ideal. The right tools will streamline implementation and enhance efficiency. Finally, let's discuss documentation. Effective documentation is essential for both business and technical teams. For developers, create detailed technical specifications that include APIs, workflows, and system architecture diagrams. For business teams, use straightforward, goal-oriented language to explain how the solution meets the requirements. Good documentation keeps everyone aligned, reduces confusion, and accelerates the development process. In summary, transforming vague requirements into implementation-ready frameworks involves a structured approach. Understand your blueprint thoroughly, break it down into functional pieces, define user workflows, choose the best tools for the job, and document everything clearly. This methodical process is what turns ideas into actionable solutions, ensuring that your project is built on a solid foundation.